Hi, boys and girls. This week, instead of doing a new spelling list, we are going to have you do a spelling assessment. So this is a show what you know activity. Please complete it independently. So that means you work on it by yourself. You don't ask a friend or a family member. You don't use your computer. You show us what you know in your brain. And it's okay if you don't know how to spell a word because that means the teachers are able to support you. So be sure to be honest and complete this independently. So what you'll need to do is grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Add your name and date and then number your paper. If you look to the right, I have given you an example. So again, please add your name, the date, and number your paper 1 through 13. I will give you a minute to get that started. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause this video and then resume it when you are ready. So be sure to do your best work, and then once we've gone through all the words, I will show you how to turn it in. All right, so number 1, employment. Her place of employment was the library. Number 1 is employment. Number 2 is breathless. After walking up the hill, I was breathless. Number 2 is breathless. Number 3, friendliness. The stranger's friendliness brightened my day. Number 3 is friendliness. Number 4, untidy. My teenage brother throws his stuff everywhere. He is so untidy. Number 4 is untidy. Number 5, inexpensive. My favorite gifts are the ones that are inexpensive and fun. Number 5, inexpensive. Number 6, disease. The COVID-19 disease will be remembered by many for years to come. Number 6, disease. Number 7, misbehave. If you misbehave, you might find yourself in the principal's office. Number 7, misbehave. Number 8, delightful. The hot cocoa was delightful on the cold winter day. Number 8, delightful. Number 9, mountainous. The mountainous view from the airplane was beautiful. Number 9, mountainous. Number 10, furious. When I found out my dog chewed my shoes, I was furious. Number 10, furious. 11. Stationary. The train car was stationary and would not move. Number 11. Stationary. Number 12. Scenery. The scenery from the hotel balcony was phenomenal. Number 12. Scenery. Number 13. Inventory. The businessman had to take inventory of his stock. Number 13. Inventory. All right, and that concludes your spelling assessment. So if you missed any of the words or need them repeated, please scroll and watch through the video again. So to turn this in, open the Google Doc in your spelling assignment. Click Insert, then click Image, and take a picture of your piece of paper. So please make sure that I'm able to read your work. If you're not able to read your work, I'm not able to read your work. Once you've added your picture and you see that it's ready for me to read, please go ahead and click Turn In. Let your teacher know if you have any questions.